Okay, so today we are going to learn about anemia. So first let's learn what is anemia. So anemia is a disorder when your blood counts falls. So anemia infected persons have 35% less RBCs than an healthy person. So, the causes are iron or hemoglobin deficiency.
What is these RBCs?
RBCs are cells that carry out your body. So, please watch my circulatory system to learn about the heart, blood vessels, and about the blood cells.
What is the role of RBC in our body?
RBCs delivers oxygen and nutrients. So they are like delivery trucks. So first
Where they deliver to?
to the organs.
Oh.
Okay, so first this is O2. These are like seeds. They go down to your lungs. Keep it as your farm, and then here are the fields, also known as alveoli. So here the oxygen enters, and so our cells are hungry. So they order the oxygen. So RBCs are like delivery trucks which just take the oxygen and nutrients from your food and deliver it to all your hungry cells. And so, the symptoms are iron or hemoglobin deficiency. So, I have a trick that may tell you if you have low hemoglobin or not.
I have one question. Suppose if we have that less RBC in our body, what would be the impact?
The impact. Vehicle accidents cause severe anemia, which can be fatal. And so, RBCs, low RBCs means that very few RBCs that are not tied during the impact and because of it will suppose a vehicle accident. So, it can take few oxygen and nutrients to supply to our organs, and then the organs just stop working, and then death. And so the causes are iron or hemoglobin deficiency. I have a trick to tell you if you have low hemoglobin or not. First, take your skin near the eye down one and then pull it. If you see that you need 1%, if you see that it's entirely red, then you have normal hemoglobin. If there are white or pale lines, means you have little hemoglobin. And one is your hands. If your hands are red, then means you have hemoglobin. If they are little bit pale, means little hemoglobin. So, autoimmune diseases. So, autoimmune diseases is a disease. So, our RBCs protects us from millions of germs to our body. Suppose this is our stomach. But in autoimmune diseases, it's a genetic disease. So it may start attacking to your own body because the bacteria that have invaded might have a similar receptor found on other organs and RBC destruction. This is autoimmune disease impact. And so, RBCs, so you may also have malaria due to other diseases like cancer. It can be any cancer with
malaria or anemia?
Cancer and malaria, leukemia, pregnancy, etc. And so sometimes you may have little stem cells. So suppose bone marrow is a factory inside our bones. So here there are particles also known as stem cells. Each particle can make a cell. So for example, suppose there are some RBCs. You have 5 RBCs that can be fitted equally in 4 rows. So let's name the RBCs. Particle number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So those who are standing at first, they can make RBCs which tutelary stop, and those behind them 4, 9, 14 and 19 numbers can make WBCs. Our body defense, and these 3, 8, 13, 18, they can make platelets. You think them as road repairing. So here is a blood vessel. So due to an injury, this blood vessel is damaged. So the blood is rushing out. So here your road fixing have came. So they needed cement. So they used bricks, which is known as collagen, and some fibroblasts produce fibrin, which is like the cement. And so
What about platelets?
platelets are like those road builders.
Okay.
I just told an example so it be very easy. So behind this third group, there is fourth group, which can make nerve cells.
Nerve cells?
Yes. And the last fifth group, which can make any of these cells. Yes, plasma. They make plasma.
What is use of plasma?
So, plasma has neutrons. And so, they have proteins. So, I will give you a clue. Black dots are known as they are proteins, and so these are neutrons, yellow colored. And next are fats, which are orange colored. I'm just telling you example because they are not this colored. Orange, just for understanding, are fats. And so the green dots are other things in plasma. So plasma are like road rollers. If there is no plasma, your blood may be very thick. So if an injury occurs, the red blood vessels enlarge, so that during a traffic jam, the defenses can go and kill any invaders, and also adds WBC and platelets. electrolytes too. These yellow colored are platelets. Just for understanding, because they are not discolored. And so, symptoms are fatigue, weakness, pale skin, cold hands and feet, dizziness, reduced immunity, and shortness of breath. And so, sometimes anemia can be genetic disorder. And diagnoses are if you got a vehicle accident and you got a large wound, and if the blood which is lost from that wound becomes very high, you can too get anemia. And so, the diagnosis are CBC, also known as complete blood count. So, let me tell you how they do a blood test. Suppose this is a person's arm. Here is the elbow. And so they just tie something near the injection site. So you are told to make a fist. So and then they insert the needle 10 to 40 degrees at the injection site. And so they pull out the blood and then during a microscopic test they figure out the number of RBCs, WBCs, platelets. So do you follow that? They can give you the report. It can be sent written by a paper or sent into your mobile, laptop and electronic gadget. And so, it's just an RBCs, how many numbers, WBCs, how many numbers, platelets, how many numbers. And so, there is another type of anemia. There are some types of anemia. Let me tell you the ones I know. Aplastic, iron deficiency, iotite, false salt, and another one. Okay, so these are what I know. So,
What is the difference between these two?
So, aplastic anemia not only causes anemia but low WBC and thrombocytopenia, which means low platelet count. And iron deficiency anemia only is the most common one, which when you don't have enough iron, you may get it. And
Causes are the same for these two?
nope, only different. So for aplastic, I think high radiation, I think chemotherapy is given because chemotherapy causes anemia. So that's why. And one is anemia of chronic diseases, which I tell you, cancer, malaria, leukemia. So it happens when you have a chronic disease. So thank you, please like and subscribe my video channel. Okay, so in treatment, your doctor may prescribe some vitamin supplements like iron. And so you may also get blood transfusion for severe anemia. And there are medications also known as anti-anemia medication sightings. So thank you, please like and subscribe my video channel.